And so we finally have this handsome, hot, cute actor and a good friend.
आज हमारे स्टूडियो में स्वयं स्वामी जी तो भगवान पधारे हैं. इनफैक्ट हम तो कहेंगे आप पुरुष नहीं, आप महापुरुष हैं. That अंदाजा फिर अपना डायलॉग. But of course I think we don't necessarily need to give an introduction because everyone knows Tarun. But
Are you going to touch his feet?
no,
I heard that. I said no, but I don't want to touch your feet, Tarun. But there are other things that like maybe
she's trying. No, don't take the conversation.
Don't take this conversation. We'll do a lot of editing.
But jokes aside, we are very happy that you decided to come on the podcast, and we wanted to give you flowers because we know men don't receive a lot of flowers.
No, who says that?
Yeah, you say seriously support.
So sad. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for having me over. Is it okay if I keep that here?
Yes, of course.
So it's my good fortune that I'm talking to both you lovely ladies, and through you, I'll be talking to many lovely thousands and maybe millions of people. So thanks a lot for inviting me over.
Yeah, just that we
Now there is a petal there. Sorry,
in case you might say. So it's your affection for that stuck on his shirt. Yeah, so we've been talking about you on the way here, Tarun, and so this episode is this is Main Character Energy by Kai and Anj, and this is a special episode about the men we adore, and of course you're the man we adore, and we had to invite you because the moment
this is gonna be not men they adore, but the men they make blush. I'm gonna blush.
We like to get it. Yeah, we said we'll turn the tables. We put the man in the hot seat, and we will kind of
turn the chair. Just brief to me and unite. Yeah, that's it. We catch men unawares. Yeah, you've got straight into a trap.
Yeah,
welcome. Welcome.
Do I have to hide my happiness?
It's a refreshing change, no, from all the stuff that you do. Hopefully,
well, yeah, actually, when you said, can I touch your feet? Every week I do this show called Hamare Ram. So I straight away come to the point. After the show gets over, we interact with the people who have come to watch the show. And I'm in the attire of Shivji at that time. So for those people who are watching the show, they connect to me in that avatar only. And when people of all ages, I can understand kids, I can understand young people. But when people who are like 70 years old, 80, they come and they touch your feet. And some people get so emotional, they just get so overwhelmed with emotions that they start crying, looking at you. Because they must be having some problem in their lives. So many people have shared their, illnesses with me. So many people have shared their parents are not well.
Yeah.
Somebody is not having a job. Somebody is not having financial, stability.
Yeah.
These kind of things people share with you right in the first 15 seconds of meeting with you. And then you feel the responsibility of your characters that I don't know them. Why are they talking to me like that? But they know the character that I'm playing. They connect to that God, that entity through me. And that puts such an enormous pressure on me as a person. I feel overwhelmed. Sometimes I also cry. I hug them. I just can't express in words what I feel at that moment. I just feel blessed.
Yeah.
And very humbled at the same time. It makes me feel very small sometimes. And I sometimes, in those moments, I remember those people who think they are gods. Because all meet, we all meet people. When in a corporate setup, somebody is your boss and he is deciding your fate. तेरे को काम से निकाल दूंगा अगर ये नहीं किया तूने Friday तक तो. These kind of people, they actually act like God. Yeah. In the same way, in my line also, I'm an actor. So there are some casting. I remember once I went to this very, very big casting director. He is the biggest in Bombay. I can't name him for obvious reasons. Everybody knows who he is.
Yeah.
So I told him, sir, you are doing stupendous job and I think I'm ready to work with you now. I'll be very happy and obliged if you give me work. I've done this and that. It's my duty to inform you that I have done this number of work. He said, I will decide whether you can act or not. By that time, I had already bought 2 houses in Bombay with my work. I decided in my mind that I will never work with this guy
Exactly.
ever again. Because अपने बच्चे को पाल रहा हूँ, उसके स्कूल की फीस दे रहा हूँ, 2 घर भी खरीद चुका हूँ, and there are 10 number of people who have said yes to me.
Yeah.
आए तरुण खन्ना, आए आप हमारे साथ काम करें, आए. So I don't need your nod. हाँ ठीक है, मुझे बड़ी फिल्में नहीं मिलेंगी, तेरे थ्रू नहीं मिलेंगी, चलेगा. बड़ी फिल्में भी करूंगा, तेरे पास नहीं आऊंगा because you think you have caught. That's a very big push. तो मुझे ना उन मोमेंट्स में वो लोग याद आते हैं. Then I feel कि हम लोग इस उसमें we all live in such an illusion about ourselves. We all actually live in we are living an illusion when we think that we are so big and we are so
Nothing.
mighty. When I am seeing that old lady crying in front of me,
Exactly.
she's not crying in front of Tarun Khanna. She's crying in front of Mahadev.
Yeah. Right.
आदित्य दिख रहे हैं उस टाइम पर. And I just don't have the
Words.
words to describe those feelings. It's surreal. So वो हो जाता.
That's amazing. Yeah, and I mean, I think you've played Lord Shiva so many times. So is he actually your favorite god? I mean, what did you always have this connection, or did it like
Our favorite god.
mine
No,
is
she actually is right.
favorite god?
Everybody has their people who follow Hindu religion. Everybody has their favorite gods. You know, there are so many people who swear by Krishna ji. They are like staunch Krishna. And people who follow Vaishno Devi, they are staunch. Some people just can't get over Mahadev.
Yeah.
Mahadev.
Mahadev is a very
See,
powerful
they all respect the other gods also.
Yeah, but this is the one thing
See,
that they.
Before I say anything else,
Yeah.
Hindu religion teaches that there is one God. There is only one entity, which is God. Everything else is the manifestation of that God.
Right.
ठीक है. तो गॉड एक ही है. सब धर्म में, हिंदू रिलीजन में भी एक ही गॉड है. लेकिन हम उनको हिंदू रिलीजन में कई नाम से बुलाते हैं. तो मेरे जो फेवरेट है शिव जी, तो क्या है, शिव जी इज लाइक माई फादर. तो अभी
I think
पापा को मैं कैसे बोलूं कि ये मेरे फेवरेट है. पापा तो फेवरेट है ही, बट जो मेरे सबसे करीब के हैं वो हनुमान जी.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking because he's spoken about it. I don't know where, but
हनुमान जी
maybe when you met or
like,
something. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah.
Yeah, you feel that.
Wow. So you are religious as a person? And
Yes.
Oh, you are. Okay. So then definitely you connect to your characters and everything.
very much.
So otherwise it's very tough to play something that
not
was...
only me,
nice.
everybody in my cast, in that show, we all are extremely religious people, extremely spiritual people, everybody. And the days we are performing, nobody eats non-veg, nobody orders non-veg.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my, that's
And
amazing.
we have people who are Muslims also, who are part of the cast. They are stricter than us. They are more strict.
Yeah.
Sometimes if we or anybody is ordering anything which has got egg also, he is the one who tells us, भैया आज नहीं. So, इतना ज्यादा है.
Itna.
और वो जो सबकी एनर्जीज जब मिलती हैं, and then that collective energy seen by people on the stage, that is the reason that people
Yeah.
are thronging.
Yeah, I think that energy comes
But
across.
that
for
is
sure.
true, no? The universe will bring, especially something like this, it will bring together people who are like that.
The right people
To play these parts and to, to actually bring it out because something like this is super powerful.
for sure.
And as he said, now, like I've seen it, like I've seen it only once when I saw you, when I met you, there was an older person who came and touched his feet and I was like, really? I'm like, it was like for me, because we don't have that being a Parsi, we don't have thing about touching feet, but I have my sister-in-law is Hindu, so of course she does. So she'll, she will do it to her elders and maybe to our elders or something during a festival. So I'm aware of that, but that was like something, and like he's not even elder, like, he's not older than her or anything. And it was, then of course it's because of his, and I was like, and he was like, okay, and if you were in that.
And now I have become so used to of this when people touch my feet that I'm very matter of fact with it. Chitaro, God bless you, God bless you. And I hug them because it's not Tarun Khanna who is doing all that. For at that moment, it's that God who is conversing with them. I am not there.
That's nice.
मैं side में हो जाता हूँ. It's between them and their God. I'm not even present there at that time. Honestly, मैं नहीं होता. So it's my duty to be extremely humble at that time because when they come there, they come with such an expectation कि आज हमें भगवान मिले हैं. भगवान को तो देखा नहीं है, आपको देखी है. तो वो उस समय वैसे आते हैं. अब उस समय मान लीजिए, मैंने ऐसे भी एक्टर देखे हैं जो उस समय बदतमीजी से बात कर लें किसी के साथ में, अरे जाओ अभी. आई हैव सीन एक्टर्स, सम वेरी बिग नेम्स, who don't behave. Not in our show.
Yeah.
In our show, everybody is very well behaved.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Hmm.
Even the Ravan, the guy who plays Ravan, Ashutosh sir, he is also very sweet and very respectful towards everybody. लेकिन बाहर मैंने लोगों को देखा है ऐसा. And I have always, told myself that no matter how busy you are, whether you are eating food, whether you are sleeping or whatever, if somebody comes to say hi to you or wants to get a picture clicked with you, never say no. Because that is the only time they are gonna meet you. वो रोज तो मिलने वाले नहीं है आपको,
for
आपके
them
घर
it's
के
so-
लोग थोड़ी हैं या बिल्डिंग के लोग थोड़ी जो रोज मिलेंगे आपको. So be very polite, extra nice to them, because they are the people whose blessings have actually made you,
That's
or
true.
which will make you in the future also.
Correct.
So be very very nice to you. They are God sent. भगवान का भेजा प्रसाद ही मना कर रहे हो तो फिर भगवान कहेंगे जा फिर
Correct.
देखता हूँ तेरे.
Sure, but you're the chosen one because you got this role. It's
So
a chosen
be
one.
very
mate.
very thankful.
Because other anyone like there are millions of actors and there are thousands of people, and
Hmm.
if you got chosen for this and it's become such a rage
Yeah.
and people are talking about it, people are really feeling that connect with you, there must be something.
Before I started the role of Mahadev, I had been acting for more than 10 years. And I have done some amazing work. Nobody remembers that. The only thing they remember me by is either Mahadev या चाणक्य या कुछ लोग को रावण याद होगा मेरा.
Yeah, yeah.
बस यही
So good
character
thing to be
याद
remembered
है.
by anyone.
So
Yeah.
it's very difficult to get remembered by people. People, if you are able to leave a mark in somebody's mind through your characters, तो वो नहीं possible नहीं होता है. Today people tell me, अरे हमने आपका ना वो 2014 में वो शो देखा था. So I'm like, that was 11 years ago, yaar. You still remember? Thank you so much. Thank you so. And I tell them I'm actually very happy because I had put in a lot of effort at that time to get into the skin of that character.
Oh, right.
So when people appreciate that,
Of course.
Yeah.
But how do you, when you're getting into a skin of a character, do you prep for it?
yeah,
Do
yeah.
you, of course you do,
बहुत
but
बहुत मुश्किल होता है
like
ये.
you practice at home, do you do it with
I
rehearsals,
practice
of course?
everywhere.
Everywhere you go.
I practice
Yeah.
like right now also. When I'm talking to you, I am keeping in mind कि महादेव की जैसे ही बात करूं.
Hmm.
You will never find me out of the character.
Is it?
Yes,
Yeah.
because मेरे को बड़ी मुश्किल से ये सुर मिला.
Hmm.
The first time when I was doing the character of Mahadev, it was for a 3D film.
Okay.
And when I was dubbing, when you do 3D stuff, there's a motor
Hmm.
which runs when you're shooting. You can't hear yourself also at that time. तो हमने कैसे तैसे डायलॉग बोल दिए थे, तो but we had to do dubbing later on. तो जब मैं डबिंग करने गया था तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था डायलॉग कैसे बोलूं. कि भगवान कैसे बोलते हैं मुझे क्या पता.
Yeah, of course.
So I had to cancel the dubbing. And then they used to call me after every 1-2 days. I used to tell them नहीं यार मैं रेडी नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे वो सुर नहीं मिल रहा था भगवान का.
Yeah.
तो किसी भी रोल के लिए ना जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है उसका सुर होता है. Once you know, like Kaina speaks in a particular manner, the way she says hello or the way you say hello or anybody else says hello on phone is different.
Yeah.
We all have a different सुर.
Hmm.
वैसे ही हर चीज का हमारा अपना सुर हो.
Hmm.
तो वो लेकिन कुछ सुर यूनिवर्सल होते हैं
Hmm. Hmm.
कि ये अच्छे आदमी ऐसे बात करते हैं, बुरे आदमी ऐसे बात करते हैं.
Okay.
जब उसने भी भगवान को कैसे अलग से दिखाई,
Hmm.
that was the most difficult part. So I had to find that sur.
Yeah. Wow. But you've played Shiv, I think now 11 times through in different or
I
a
have
lot
played
of
the
times.
role of Mahadev 17 times.
Oh, 17 times. Wow. So like much more than I thought. But so how do you try and make it different each time? How do you do that then? Because now,
See,
Yeah.
everybody tries to write different kind of dialogues. Situation तो सेम है. महादेव की फर्स्ट वाइफ का नाम सती था. तो जब सती माता मरती हैं तो महादेव रोए. सबको पता है महादेव उस समय रोएंगे ही.
कैसे?
और उसके बाद रो के इतना गुस्से में आ गए थे, तांडव करने लगे थे, पूरी दुनिया जलने लगी थी. सिचुएशन तो सेम ही है, उसको कैसे डिफरेंट कर सकते हैं. आप अपने इमोशंस के अंदर थोड़ा सा चेंज ला सकते हो. वो एज एन एक्टर आपकी ट्रिक होती है कि कैसे इस बारी थोड़ा सा अलग करता हूँ, इस बारी थोड़ा अलग तरीके से. रोने के भी तरीके होते हैं, ब्रेकडाउन के भी अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं. फिर तांडव एक ऐसी चीज है, तो तांडव लोगों को एक ही चीज समझ में आती है कि तांडव प्रलय का नाच होता है. ऐसा नहीं है. देयर आर 7 or 8 डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ तांडव ऑल्सो. तो उसमें आनंद तांडव भी है जो खुशी के समय पर होता है. श्रृंगार तांडव भी है जो प्रेम के समय. तो ऐसे ऐसे शांत भाव का भी एक तांडव. तो ये अलग अलग तरह के जो तांडव है हमने इन्हें ट्राई किया है अलग अलग रोल्स में. जब भी महादेव करते हैं कहीं के पर, जैसे अभी मैं प्ले के बारे में नहीं बताऊंगा मैं वहां क्या करता हूँ, लेकिन शोज में मैं जो करता हूँ वो अलग है. आई एम डूइंग अ मूवी called Akhanda 2. आपके थ्रू मैं बता देता हूँ आज पब्लिक को. So इसमें साउथ के एक बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार हैं NBK सर, नंदमूरी बालाकृष्णा, जो NT रामाराव के बेटे. So he is one of the biggest stars in the whole of South India. तो वहां तो बहुत बड़ा नाम है, लेकिन इस मूवी अखंडा 2, अखंडा 1 was already a very big hit in Telugu. तो अब अखंडा 2 रिलीज हो रही है, which I think will be releasing in I think 6 or 7 languages all across India. तो उसमें भी हमने शिव जी का ही रोल किया है. तो उसमें जो तांडव है वो बहुत ही अलग तरह का हम ट्राई किया है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इमोशनल काइंड ऑफ अ सीन कैरेक्टर दैट आई एम प्लेइंग देयर. वो महादेव का भी एक अलग जोन है.
But that takes that actually shows your skill if you can, you're adding something different each time you're playing that same role. That's amazing. Yeah.
But I want to ask you a question, like this came to me when you were talking. So, what is your what is like the expectation that like as a person, Tarun, Anna, okay, as a person in normal life with his friends, with family, and then you have to come into this character. So at home or with your friends, how are you there? Because it's like, I mean, I'm sure like friends, if you break into a Shivji character, they'll be like, okay, dude, like, we know you, whatever. I'm thinking that. So
How does it work? Yeah, exactly what I was thinking, like with your wife at home, are you like, "Arey, main
See,
Shiv Ju."
wives will always treat their husbands like
You might be Shiv somewhere else.
if some,
that is not even a quest. That I would never ask.
sometimes I tell Smriti, my wife's name is Smriti, so sometimes when I tell her कि बेबी आप मुझसे ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, पता भगवान का रोल कर, सब भगवान का रोल करता है. तो कहती तो क्या करूं, तुम्हारे पाँव छू
इधर
मेरी बात सुनो, तुम्हारे बच्चे को ऐसे क्यों बोला तुम. मैं उसको मैं डांटा नहीं है, मेरे सिर्फ उसको इतना बोला है कि अभी सो जाओ, लेट मी हैंडल ऑल, तुम नहीं बोलो.
But she can actually sit mere pati parmeshwar, like people used to sit down.
Gosh, no.
It actually
I don't think his wife is gonna do that. No woman, no.
Yeah, no, you know, actually say, yeah.
That's for sure.
I don't expect her also.
Yeah, why
But I'm a very I'm a very chilled out person in real life also. So what I do is I in my friend circles also, I am not a prankster, but I am somebody who has a sense of humor.
Yeah.
So I have a sharp wit sometimes. Sometimes I can be dumb also. But mostly I have a sense of humor. I can laugh at myself and I can laugh at other people also. So I try to be around people who can laugh at themselves also. Because if you cannot take a joke on yourself, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. Because I am used to of being around people who can take a joke on themselves.
So, but you know what I wanted to ask you is that you've now been in the industry for a really long time. So what do you think has changed, say, in the last 20 years? You know, some major difference that you notice between the industry today compared to, say,
कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ. मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, इंडस्ट्री वैसी की वैसी है. हमेशा से नेपोटिज्म रहा है, रहेगा. एंड नेपोटिज्म इज समथिंग व्हिच इज रैम्पेंट इन अवर सोसाइटी पर से. ये इंडिया में ही है कि काम सिर्फ उसे ही मिलेगा जिसके कनेक्शंस होंगे. आपका टैलेंट मैटर नहीं करता. यहाँ इस इंडस्ट्री में टैलेंट मैटर नहीं करता है. इस इंडस्ट्री में सिर्फ कनेक्शंस मैटर करते हैं. तो वो कनेक्शंस हैं तो आपको काम मिलता रहेगा. अगर आप हीरोइन बन के फ्लॉप हो जाते हो या हीरो बन के फ्लॉप हो जाते हो तो ओटीटी है, वहां भी फ्लॉप हो जाती है तो आपको टॉक शो होस्ट बना देंगे या आप टॉक शो बना सकते हो अपने. कई लोग वैसे काम कर लेते हैं. नहीं तो कुछ ना कुछ आपको इधर उधर के रोल्स मिलते रहेंगे. हीरो नहीं चले तो विलन बना देंगे. कई हीरोज वैसे हुए, लेकिन रहोगे आप ही, बाहर से लोगों को नहीं आने देते.
So I had this one question in mind that when you were starting out, like what is that one thing that you felt like the time that you felt like, you know, giving up? Did you ever have that moment where I said, you know, what is not happening? Or was there any kind of moment that you said, you know, नहीं होगा, मेरे से नहीं होगा, मैं कुछ और कर लेता हूँ, मैं कुछ और ट्राई कर लेता हूँ, या फिर बाद में करूँगा?
That's very humbling question actually. You know, there are times when I've really failed miserably at things. Like this is like bearing my some very vulnerable moment.
You can turn my shoulder, you can bear it, that's the reason why doesn't even happen.
It's like the trick I'm getting used to get vulnerable.
There are times, there are times when you realize that now you will not be considered for so and so slot. You know, when I was younger, I could have done so much of work as a young guy. But as you grow old, you realize कि यार अब ये वाले रोल मेरे पास में नहीं आने वाले. So that was the time when I felt a tinge of sadness. कि यार अगर इन्होंने मुझे तब ले लिया होता, I could have done this or I could have done that. ये वो. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे chances नहीं मिले थे, chances भी मिले थे, but those films couldn't get completed. For अभी तो किसी का एक प्रोड्यूसर की डेथ हो गई, पिक्चर सिर्फ 6-7 दिन का काम बचा. It was a very big film. I was getting launched. बहुत बड़े लोग हैं, अभी नाम उनका क्या लोग. तो फिर मुझे ये लगता है कि maybe the destiny was destined like this. तो आप अपनी डेस्टिनी से झगड़ा नहीं कर सकते. You have to come to terms with that. And as you grow old and as you start losing people, like I lost my parents very early in my life. तो तब बड़ा गुस्सा आता है कि यार भगवान को भी गाली दे देते हो आप, क्यों ले लिए मेरे पेरेंट्स. बट देन यू अंडरस्टैंड विद टाइम कि ये सबके साथ होगा, आपके साथ भी कभी ना कभी होगा. तो दिस इज हाउ प्रीडेस्टिन्ड. आप इसका कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो. तो काम में भी वैसे ही है. तो सक्सेस मिलता है तो फेलियर भी मिलता है. आपको सब चीज को ना, तो मैंने बड़ी अच्छी एक लाइन पढ़ी थी, वही रुडयार्ड किपलिंग की एक पोएम है, इफ.
It's beautiful.
उसमें एक बड़ी अच्छी लाइन है, इफ यू मीट ट्रायम्फ एंड डिजास्टर एंड ट्रीट देम जस्ट द सेम. तो ये विंबलडन जहां पर होता है ना, तो जो मेंस चेंजिंग रूम है उसके अंदर लिखी हुई है वहां पर. तो जो प्लेयर्स जब जाते हैं ना खेलने के लिए, तो वो उसको पढ़ते हैं. तो बॉरिस बेकर ने अपनी ऑटोबायोग्राफी में ये लाइन लिखी है कि मैं वो बार बार पढ़ता था और उसी को देखता था, जीत जाता था. तो पहले तो बहुत सक्सेसफुल जब हो जाता था, तो क्योंकि ही वाज 17 years old when he won his first Wimbledon. तो बच्चे को 17 साल का तो बच्चा होता है, वोट भी नहीं डाल सकता. इतना छोटा बच्चा विंबलडन चैंपियन बन जाए, सोचो. अगले साल फिर जीता था 18 साल. तो जब वो बच्चा था तो बहुत दिमाग पर चढ़ा. लेकिन जैसे आपको फेलियर्स मिलते हैं ना, दे ग्राउंड यू. तो फिर आपको समझ में आता है कि आपको जीतने पे बहुत ज्यादा इतराना नहीं चाहिए, हारने पे बहुत ज्यादा घबराना नहीं चाहिए. तो आप थोड़ा सा
same level.
keep it at even key, then you will be in a better state. तो मैंने भी अभी वैसा ही अपने आप को वैसी जगह ले आया हूँ जहाँ अब मैं अपने फेलियर्स को बहुत ज्यादा याद नहीं करता.
Right.
क्योंकि वो इतने ज्यादा हैं.
No, that's so very
इतना ज्यादा बुरा नहीं मानता मैं कि अगर मुझे कोई पसंद नहीं करता है ना, that is okay, because बहुत सारे लोग पसंद भी करते हैं.
Right.
So I would rather count my blessings than count the number of people who are saying nay. I'll just count the years.
Oh, yeah, sure, absolutely. Really proud of you saying that. And I know a few actors who've gone through this entire process of, having movies, who've done movies, who, not Nepo, of course. And then they not accepted the fact that now they may not get those kind of roles. And to expand their things to maybe OTT series. It's like, no, I'm going to be a film actor only and I'm going to get the hero role. But now you have crossed a certain age, and of course, like people like Salman, SRK, whatever, they are like now they're ageless, obviously. But for non-people, people who are not like still in the industry, who are trying to find a footing somewhere, that is not possible. It's like you're old for this, so that those people don't accept that this is not happening. So you start something, which is very proud of you, because you realize that okay, there is something that will work or not work. But in the meantime, I'm not going to be just fixed कि बस मुझे यही करना है.
I think adapting is the name of the game.
So, when you adapt also, you look at examples. Like the only person I really look up to, there are two actually. One is Liam Neeson. He is my hero because he already was a successful hero, but in his older age, he is a superstar now. Very few Hollywood guys get a release worldwide. He's one of them. And he's almost 70 now. Then the second guy is Clint Eastwood. He's ageless. When you say about the other gentlemen, they are not ageless. Clint Eastwood is ageless. He is nearing 90 now. He's still making movies. That is what I say, and he's making films at his terms, and he is Mr. 8. He is the guy for me, When you say alpha male, I still have to find somebody who can beat Clint Eastwood. He is my
OG.
He is the OG alpha.
Yeah. But I think that you've done now different mediums, right? So there's obviously theatre, TV, OTT, film also. What is your favorite medium?
Movies.
Yeah.
Nothing can beat movies. You know, the magic of sitting in a cinema hall and watching a James Bond come and take out his gun. And that is the best. You know, nothing can beat that. Or watching Devanand Guide, or watching Sholay, watching Shah Rukh Khan in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. I don't remember any recent day movie.
No, that
because
That had that scene in that.
it has got that recall value.
Yeah, when you actually recall these names as
You know,
well.
because they are timeless.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, they are really beautiful memories.
Yeah.
So I always wanted to be James Bond. If you ask me,
I think every
that James Bond is my
Yeah, really.
ultimate character,
Yeah.
or the character from Guide.
So just to let you know, I can throw the Devanand card. He was a very close friend of mine in my journalism days, very close. And when I joined Swissair, he was the one who pushed me to join the airlines. And he says, Kainaz, you have to travel the world. You can't just be like, stuck in this, of course, stuck in Mumbai or whatever. You must see the world because he was a traveler. You know him. He was like a man in life. He was like, just be there, just laugh, just smile. And he never took anything seriously. And if he did, it never showed it. He was very relaxed. So he would always, I would go meet him. We would have all these conversations at his, he had a penthouse. I didn't know, he was pretty cool, Pali, a penthouse. I don't say it because that's been my age.
You know my buddy? My buddy Dekhan. Yeah, so friend.
What are you?
How many people? But in general, I think friendship also doesn't have to be like,
to be of
it
the
can
same age.
transcend age. Yeah, that's also.
And Devanand was a younger guy. He, even at the age of 70, he was behaving like a 30, he 25. He was a very young guy at heart.
He's like, I'm making a new movie. I said, "Aap kya role kar rahe ho?" Hero? And he was staring at his
But you know, there was this neighbor of mine who was a film director. उन्होंने सुनील शेट्टी को लॉन्च किया था. His name is Deepak Anand, I believe. Yeah. तो दीपक जी के साथ मैं मूवी कर रहा था कभी, बहुत पुरानी बात है. तो दीपक जी used to assist देव साहब in some movie. उसमें जैकी श्रॉफ भी थे.
अच्छा.
तो दीपक जी मुझे बता रहे हैं कि क्योंकि देवानंद खुद भी एक्टिंग कर रहे थे, तो ही वाज एनएक्टिंग द होल सीन बिफोर के डायरेक्शन के लिए, सबके लिए. उसमें हेमा जी भी शायद सीन में थी. तो ही वाज टेलिंग कि दीपक इधर से हीरोइन आएगी, हेमा आएगी इधर से, लड़का इधर से जाएगा, लड़का उसको हीरोइन को पकड़ के बैठाएगा. तो उसने दीपक जी ने पूछा कि सर लड़का कौन? यू इडियट, मी, देव यहां से जाएगा, देव बैठाएगा. तो दीपक जी got the shock of his life, but that was it was not a show off kind of a thing. He actually meant it.
He meant it.
तो आप अगर अंदर से ऐसे हो तो सल्यूट है सर. आप तभी तो हम उनकी आज इतने सालों बाद बात
We talk with so much of affection. Yeah. And, so of course, that's another episode completely, but I would ask him all sorts of personal questions because, of course, that kind of journalist plus in my mind, I said, what happened with this one?
No, he was a gentleman. He never used to talk about anybody.
No, he would never talk. And
he was a thorough
gentleman. Your smile can launch million this. मैं आपको launch कर दूंगा, but your Hindi का है. मैं वो कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Because my Hindi was really it still is. So then it was,
So then your dream of
no,
starring in a movie.
But I think anyone who goes to him, he always would think that. And I'm like, no, I'm interested in flying and stuff. So he was like, Jao, ye karo, see the world. And he wrote a letter for me when I was in Switzerland. He's like, open it only when you get there. So that I would open and say, Kyle, I'm so proud to get my book. I'm very proud of you that you've taken this step and now you're going to see the world and explore. And don't restrict yourself to certain things. Basically,
So how inspiring he was. See, that is such an inspiring figure we are talking about. So I would rather think about those kind of people who inspire you. So life may, everything is like, so many people might get inspired by looking at us also.
Absolutely.
Always set the right example. So right example, because I told you now, when people are touching your feet, that's a huge responsibility. So it shouldn't go to your head. You should become even more humbler. You should become, कि यार मेरे एक्शंस ऐसे होने चाहिए कि इन लोगों को लगे हाँ हम सही आदमी को ये रोल दे रहे हैं. वो बहुत जरूरी है. तो वो सोसाइटी
even have this like something you've done and you cannot take that risk outside, right? Like let's say हम पार्टी जाते हैं और you can't, I'm not saying misbehave in any way, But you know how when we are partying, when we're enjoying, we have a drink in our hand.
Let loose and you kind of like.
You just go.
Yeah.
You're all allowed to support.
Basically, her question is, do you party? Do you know
Telling them and not telling it.
other side? No.
No. Thing is, I know how to enjoy myself. And I just make sure that there are no cameras around when I'm enjoying myself. Because I don't want people to see me in that state. Because some very impressionable people are also watching it. Kids are watching you.
Yeah.
And kids, 7, 8, 9-year-old kids all over India, they watch my shows. And they think I am Mahadev. So many ladies, they have my numbers. They make videos of their daughters. कि महादेव को हेलो बोलो बेटा, चलो अभी गुड नाइट करो, सो जाओ.
Oh my God.
जो ऐसी भी है.
Wow.
So there is this lady, मतलब वो और उनके हस्बैंड भी हमारे दोस्त हैं, हम लोग जाते हैं, दे होस्ट अस कभी. उनकी बेटियां बहुत प्यारी है, अंशिता नाम है उसका, अहमदाबाद में रहती है. So हस्बैंड वाइफ आर कॉर्पोरेट लॉयर्स. उनकी बेटिया जो है, उसके लिए मैं ही महादेव. शी इज आई थिंक 5 or 6 years old.
Oh my God.
तो वो अगर खाना नहीं खा रही है तो करते फिर महादेव नाराज हो जाएंगे. तो वो वाला कनेक्शन है मेरा उन लोगों के साथ में. ऐसा एक जगह नहीं है, ऐसा बहुत जगह है. कई बच्चे तो हमें देखकर ही बड़े हुए हैं, जो पिछले 8-10 साल में बड़े हुए हैं. वो टीवी देखते हैं तो उनको लगता है कि यही आदमी होंगे. जब वो हमें शो पर आके देखते हैं, दे आर लाइक, भगवान दिख गए, अरे यही गॉड है ये. नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, यूएसए में भी हमारी एक फ्रेंड है, शी इज अ जर्नलिस्ट. उनका बेटा है, वो भी हमारा एक शो आ रहा था, वीर हनुमान. तो वो जो बच्चा हनुमान करता है उसी को हनुमान समझता है और हमें वो महादेव समझता है. तो उसके लिए तो मतलब ऐसा हो गया कि इफ ही हैज सीन मी ऑन अ वीडियो कॉल, तो दैट इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग एवर इन हिज लाइफ कि मैंने भगवान देख लिए. तो स्कूल में जाके बच्चों को बोल रहा है, यस्टरडे आई मेट गॉड, यू नो दैट. शी लिव्स इन न्यूयॉर्क, प्रॉपर न्यूयॉर्क में रहता है. वहां जाके बच्चों को बोल रहा है स्कूल में, भगवान से.
That's okay, I know.
हमें बड़ा ध्यान ये रखना होता है कि हम ऐसे, इफ आई एम हैविंग अ ग्लास ऑफ वाइन, आई कैन नॉट हैव इट इन माई हैंड. वो बच्चा सोचेगा यार ये वही आदमी है. थोड़ा सा वो ध्यान रख ले. हाँ,
Yeah, I would be
तो ऐसा है, थोड़ा सा scared.
I would know. I mean, I know, but see, again, because you've lived your life, no? Karun, you're able to now get into everything.
थोड़ा सा उस चीज का ध्यान रख लो कि कोई ऐसा, सी आई डोंट स्मोक, आई एम नॉट अ ड्रिंकर. आई एम एन ओकेजनल, 2-3 महीने में एक बार पी वो तो उसको नाक के बराबर ही कहीं.
Yeah, that's not.
I don't enjoy my drinks. I'm more of a social SI. So I don't do anything which can, make people feel bad. मैं वैसा कुछ करता नहीं. I have political opinions. Yes, I have. इसमें मैं कुछ नहीं.
I didn't know that about you. Actually, I didn't know much about you. That's why I called you.
To learn more. No, but you're so right, because now, as I was mentioning, because I have a 7-year-old son, there are times when he'll say, can I watch this show or this movie? And everything I've realized, there's so much content that's being made is not catered for kids, like the Bollywood movies also now. Everything's rating is 13 plus, 16 plus because of the violence, and then of course because of the language, the themes, the intimate scenes, all of that.
Yeah.
So as a parent, you're like, what should my child watch? So I think it's so important actually to have content more for kids, and I think that's where, all these shows are so great, because they're teaching them obviously about, the religion as well as values, right? So that would be great.
What is son? Your son must be, let's see, what is he?
Yeah, that is like, I can't say no to Papa because my dad is.
He's gonna watch it. He's too smart. See, he's 11 now, but 11-year-olds today are different from the 11-year-olds of my time. So, उसे सब पता है. Unfortunately, तब उसे सब पता है. तो बहुत he's a very intelligent kid. And me and my wife, we treat him like an equal. हम उससे बात भी करते हैं और वो बहुत समझता है बच्चा.
Just come here.
Adamya. So Adamya is the kind of boy which you cannot fool around with. So we just say things as they are. We don't go around. We don't beat around the bush. And normally he doesn't ask us questions.
Right.
There is Google for everything.
Yeah, that's
So he gets all his answers from Google. So
nothing to do with the parents are not more. Yeah.
ठीक है भाई, बड़ा हो जा.
I know.
क्या कैसे?
Yeah. So now we're going to ask you some fun questions. What is main character energy for you? What is your, if I say main character energy?
The most important thing in a person should be he should not make other people feel small. The moment you make someone feel small by your words or by your actions, you are a small person. He said.
Yeah.
बड़ा वो है जो आपको छोटा होने का एहसास.
Yeah.
So one has to be humble.
Right.
You know, the thing that puts me off in a person is conceit. That's a very big turn off for me. आप नहाए नहीं होगे ना, मुझे चलेगा. You have body order, मुझे चलेगा. शक्ल भगवान ने दी है सबको, उसके बारे में हमारा किसी का अपना कुछ बस नहीं चलता. कुछ लोग अच्छे दिखते हैं, कुछ नहीं दिखते हैं. आई डोंट केयर. सिर्फ एक कंसीट एक ऐसी चीज है, एरोगेंस एक ऐसी चीज है जो बहुत ना मुझे पुट ऑफ कर देती है. और कंसीट भी अलग अलग तरह की होती है. एक इंटेलेक्चुअल एरोगेंस होती है किसी की. तो जो इंटेलेक्चुअल एरोगेंस है ना, वो मुझे एक बारी को बर्दाश्त कर लूंगा मैं. और एक सुंदर लड़की होती है, उसका इतराना मुझे समझ में आता है कि ये बड़ी सुंदर है, इसलिए इसमें घमंड है, इसमें थोड़ी सी तय है. यूथ की एक अलग एरोगेंस होती है. आई एम यंग, यू आर नॉट सो यंग. इसी बात पे कई लोग, अगर आप शोज देखते हो कोई, तो उन्हें सुना देता, अबे तू चलना, बुढ़ा हो गया 50 साल. इस बात पे कई लोग दूसरे को, अरे तूने भी होना भाई. इफ यू आर लकी इनफ, यू आर 20-30 years आफ्टर, यू विल ऑल्सो बी 50 years older. तो होना ही है. सो इसका भी एरोगेंस होता है. वो भी एक बारी को मैं मान लेता हूँ. ये वो वाली, कई बार क्या होता है कि मैं, जैसे गाड़ी खराब हो जाती है, जैसे मैकेनिक से पूछते हैं, भैया कब तक ठीक हो जाएगी गाड़ी, तो वो जवाब नहीं देता आपको. उसमें भी एक एरोगेंस होती है. वो एक बारी पूछोगे आप, भैया कब तक ठीक हो जाएगी, ही वोंट लुक एट यू. फिर आफ्टर 10 seconds हो गया, भैया भैया कब तक ठीक हो जाएगी, तो वो बहुत नखरे से बताता हूँ. बिकॉज उसको एरोगेंस इस चीज का है कि मुझे मेरा काम आता है, तुम्हें नहीं बताया था, सो डोंट मेडल राइट ना. तो उसको भी मैं एक बारी को समझ सकता हूँ. मुझे ना पैसे का एरोगेंस जिनमें होता है ना, वो बहुत अगली लगता है मुझे. क्योंकि पैसा, स्पेशली वो जो आपको पेरेंट्स ने इनहेरिटेड वेल्थ है, आपने तो कुछ किया नहीं, पैदा ही हुए हो सर उस घर में, वो बहुत अगली है मेरे हिसाब से. उस पैसे का जो एरोगेंस है ना, मुझे दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा पुट ऑफ वो चीज करती है. और बाकी चीजों को मैं काफी लेकिन जिन्हें मैं पसंद करता हूँ, वो कैसे, जो लोग आके कमरे में सबको हंसा दे, एक थोड़ा सेंस, मैंने बोला ना, सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो पीपल हु कैन लाफ देमसेल्व्स आल्सो, आई लाइक.
So now you have a lot of fans who must be women and girls also. Let's get to the point now. So what is that one compliment that has always, like you get most of it from girls and women?
It's a weakness actually. कहते हैं कि if your facial muscles have a weakness, then you start getting dimples. तो ये dimples मुझे बचपन से बढ़ रहे हैं. ये मुझे बहुत बाद में आके पता चला. बचपन में तो मेरे को ये बात समझ में नहीं आती थी. मुझे सब बोलते थे बड़ा क्यूट है, डिंपल्स बढ़ते तेरे. तो आई यूज्ड टू फील वेरी गुड. मुझे जो स्कूल में बड़ी वाली दीदी नहीं होती हैं सब, व्हेन यू आर इन 6th और 7th स्टैंडर्ड, तो 12th क्लास की लड़कियां बुला बुला के बीच में बिठाती थी. मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता था. तब तक तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था ना, तब तक तो इतने छोटे थे. अब समझ में, अब तो क्या है, तब बड़ा अच्छा लगता था. तो वो मुझे पूछती थी तेरे डिंपल्स कैसे पड़ते, तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था कि इसमें इतना स्पेशल क्या है. फिर जब बड़े हुए तो समझ में आया कि ये चीज स्पेशल है. तो मैं जहां जरूरत नहीं भी होती थी वहां भी हंसना शुरू.
What a lovely smile. So that's the first thing you notice about.
That is my parents. Something which I have inherited from them.
Like so, like.
तो वो डिंपल्स जो है, इसी पे सबसे ज्यादा लोग मुझे बोलते हैं, which is actually a weakness. तो मैं क्या बोलूं, लोगों को मेरी कमजोरी पसंद आ रही है. तो
और आपकी कमजोरी क्या है? Let's get to you. What do you notice?
हाँ, स्वीटनेस. स्वीट मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं ना, अच्छा कई लोग कैसे होते हैं कि यार उन्हें ना चॉकलेट्स पसंद होती हैं, कई लोगों को सिर्फ आइसक्रीम पसंद होती है, कईयों को सिर्फ इंडियन मिठाई पसंद होती है. मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या, मुझे ये सारी चीजें पसंद है.
You like chocolates?
No. I don't only like chocolates. I love rabdi. I love gulab jamun. I love rasgullas. बंगाली मिठाई तो सारे नाम पता है मुझे. बंगालियों से ज्यादा तो मुझे नाम पता है कि दरवेश किसको बोलते हैं, चित्रकूट किसको बोलते हैं, मलाई लांगचा क्या होता है. तो पीपल आर सरप्राइज कि तुम्हें इतना रसगुल्ला और पायस क्या होता है. सो आई लव मीठा. इंडियन मीठा हो, फॉरेन मीठा हो, ठंडा मीठा हो, गरम मीठा हो, I just love sweets, which is not very good. Sugar is not very good for your body. ये हमें बाद में once in a while ही नहीं खाता हूँ, once in a while ही नहीं खाता हूँ, बाकी सारा टाइम खाता हूँ. That is one problem. तो मेरा काम ऐसा है नहीं, because I have to look in a certain manner. तो उसके लिए जिम में कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो, after a certain age you have to be very careful with what you're eating. तो मीठा is something which
It's very.
So you always been so fit?
नहीं, पहले तो बहुत फिट था, अभी तो बहुत मोटा हो गया हूँ. तो माई वाइफ एवरी डे टेल्स मी तुम मुझे मिले थे तो कितने अच्छे लगते थे. मैंने कहा बेबी,
Then don't complain. Kailash is very happy with you.
बेबी सुन लो,
आप मुझे ना से
I am trying very hard. No, I am competing with so many guys who are younger. I still am competing with those roles with them who are 10 years, 15 years younger to me. तो ये आपके ऊपर है ना कि आप अपने को कितना फिट रख.
and people are shallow enough.
Yeah.
Will look at that only.
And I think, does it ever bother you also that as an actor, you should actually focus on acting, but the whole industry, everything is so about the way you look and how, and your six packs and, you know,
गलती हमारी नहीं, इसमें गलती उन लोगों की है जो हमें काम देते हैं. आप नोट करना, गुड लुकिंग लोगों को उनकी एक्टिंग के लिए कभी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिलते हैं क्या? ब्रैड पिट इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्टर्स इन द वर्ल्ड. टॉम क्रूज इज अगेन अ वेरी वेरी गुड एक्टर. कितने लोगों ने आज तक बोला ब्रैड पिट बड़ा कमाल का एक्टर है, कि उसने फाइट क्लब में बड़ा अच्छा काम किया था या लेजेंड्स ऑफ द फॉल में अच्छा. सब लोग उनकी लुक्स की बात करते हैं. टॉम क्रूज, ओ गॉड इज सो क्यूट, सब ये बोलते हैं. तो एक्टर बड़ा कमाल. ठीक है, आपको जो थोड़े से दिखने में कमतर होंगे एक्टर्स, आपको इंडिया में ले लो चाहे अब्रॉड ले लो, एक्टिंग में वही याद आते हैं. चाहे वो रॉबर्ट डी नीरो है, अल पचिनो है, डस्टिन हॉफमैन, दे आर नॉट गुड लुकिंग. मैं ऐसे किसी का नाम लूं तो फॉरेन वालों के ले लेते हैं ना, चल जाता है. इंडिया वालों के मैं नाम नहीं ले सकता क्योंकि उनसे कभी सामना हो जाए तो ऐसे. अगेन लुक्स आर गिवन टू यू बाय गॉड. लेकिन यहाँ के लोग क्या कैटेगराइज कर देते हैं कि ये चॉकलेट बॉय है. चॉकलेट बॉय एक्टर हो ही नहीं सकता. ये माचो गाय है, माचो को एक्टिंग नहीं आ सकती है. माचो, अरे भाई मैं आई कैन क्राई एट द ड्रॉप ऑफ द हैट. जब बोलो रो दूं. इन माई प्ले आई क्राई एवरी टाइम, आई क्राई.
and that's so difficult.
और वो भी बातचीत करते हुए बीच में. आई एम नॉट क्राइंग राइट एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सीन. आप सोचो वहां पे हर बार एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर अपनी आंखों में आंसू लाना, सिर्फ आंख में नहीं अपनी आवाज के अंदर भी वो ले आना. आई एक्चुअली क्राई. सो आई साइक माई सेल्फ इन सच अ वे. जब भी जाने लगता हूं तो मेरी एक पूरी प्रिपरेशन होती है 15 मिनट की बिफोर आई एम गेटिंग ऑन द स्टेज. हाँ, मुझे मालूम है कि मुझे जाना है तो मैं अपना मूड बनाना शुरू कर देता हूँ. आई हैव अ प्रोसेस. थ्रू दैट प्रोसेस आई रीच दैट स्पेस वेयर आई कैन क्राई व्हेनेवर आई वांट. तो बट अपने को लाना पड़ता है ना, मेंटली बहुत मुश्किल है ये. आप ट्राई करके देखो, मर्जी से रोना नहीं है. यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ द बैड मेमोरीज ऑफ योर पास्ट. You have to visit those things every time. So as an actor, how difficult it is.
So you were asking about what's your weakness. I
I don't know. Scary. I know. I don't know. Shall we frame it better? We say it. No, I know you're. Of course, you're happy.
The code name that.
oh my god.
No, I know.
He likes the rasgulla.
Of course, we know you're happily married, but you know, especially when you were single and when you were younger, all of that. What would you look at when you would look at women, or what would you find attractive?
What makes you think that I still don't look?
हाँ, looking at
तो देखने पर तो कोई और नहीं टैक्स लगता है ना. मेरी वाइफ ने उतना अलाउ किया, वो कहती देख लो और देखो मगर दूर से ही.
So what stands out in women generally? What do you find most attractive when you?
I mean, besides the obvious, like
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, like what do you think?
yeah, besides the obvious, Anjali.
I told you कि मुझे मीठे में सब पसंद है.
So you don't judge. All right. Beautiful meat, yeah.
I believe that unless until you are not the kind of person who puts me off, I need to connect to a person. If I connect to a person, looks are secondary. But looks are very important.
Yes, like, yeah, of course.
Yeah, so nice hair, nice eyes, nice lips, nice smile, and other attributes also are there.
We also do that, right? And
Everybody does that.
yeah, even the eyes are more. Yeah, everyone.
Yeah.
So I have to tell you this, okay? I don't know if I should say it. So when you were on your way to our friend's place, two of us were leaving. Okay, we were leaving. What are they trying to go? Their families are waiting. What occasion was it? Ganpati. So we have everyone's waiting. Someone had to go for puja, someone had to go for something else, dinner, and we're leaving. And then our friend was saying, yeah, they are on their way, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, and we're still waiting. I said, now I think we should leave because now people are waiting at home for us. So the other girl, she never waits, okay? The other one, one of my friends. So we just waited, and then we're like about to leave, and he's saying, oh, now they're there 5 minutes. And so he said, okay, we'll say hi. And then he comes in, okay? And now that's for 2 hours, yes, just
Forgot all the plans.
घर पे कौन है, dinner है, then are you coming home, पूजा है, ये नहीं, अच्छा आ रहे हम.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so that was his effect. That was his effect on us, at least on
You and your girl.
So I said, very good. This podcast is अच्छा बहाना. Ken. So women are all, that's what I'm trying to say, and women also have of course.
Human beings are made in a certain manner. Anything which is attractive to your eyes, you will look towards that person or object. So, we objectify people. It's a human tendency. So, मुझे सिर्फ ये बुरा लगता है कि when sometimes women feel bad when they are objectified. If a woman is getting a picture clicked in a bikini and putting on the cover of a magazine, and then after that she says, don't objectify women. Why were you putting your picture in a two-piece bikini? कि क्या मतलब कीर्तन करे उसके बाद में आपको देख के यही कहेंगे ना मैम अच्छी बॉडी.
And if you don't say she'll be offended, like बकवास मत.
तो मुझे वो थोड़ा सा ना डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स वाली बात लगती है कि फेमिनिज्म इज ओके, women's lib is okay, you know, freedom to women, everything is okay, but accept it that yes, we are okay being objectified also because they do it on purpose. And when they are objectified, तो बुरा लग जाता है उन लोगों को. Men don't have a problem getting objectified.
They don't try.
Men don't have a problem. आपने आज तक कभी किसी आदमी को सुना है?
Men, you should objectify.
तो seriously कभी किसी आदमी को सुना है ये बोलते हुए कि यार मुझे objectify मत करो. But women have a problem. क्योंकि देखिए आप सोसाइटी में सारे लोग एक जैसे तो नहीं हो सकते ना. किसी की पढ़ाई लिखाई कम होगी, किसी के दिमाग थोड़ा सा जानवरों जैसा होगा, किसी की क्या बोले मैनर्स कम होंगे, एटिकेट्स कम हो. तो अभी हमें सोचना है कि इफ वी आर पुटिंग अवरसेल्फ आउट इन द सोसाइटी लाइक दिस, तो वी हैव टू बी रेडी फॉर ऑल काइंड ऑफ कमेंट्स. अच्छे भी आएंगे, बुरे भी आएंगे. यू नीड टू लर्न टू टेक इट इन योर स्ट्राइड. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते सिर्फ अच्छे वाले कमेंट्स ही आए, बुरे आते हैं तो आप बोलते हो यार डोंट ऑब्जेक्टिफाई मी, डोंट टॉक टू मी. ऐसा नहीं होगा. क्या के लोग आए, ऐसा हो गया कि जंगल गए और वहां पे यार मुझे शेर क्यों खा रहा है. When you are going to a jungle safari, be prepared कि शेर भी खा सकता है भाई. इतना बड़ा रिस्क ले रहे हो तो सोच लो ये भी हो सकता है. If you are going to a mountain, be prepared कि कभी पहाड़ गिर भी सकते हैं वहां पर. नहीं तो रहो भाई, जहां रह रहे हो रहते रहो, मतलब पंगा. So when you take a risk of putting yourself out in the society in a certain manner, उसके brickbats रहेंगे. आप सबसे मैं नहीं करूंगा, वो नहीं करेगा, कोई थर्ड पर्सन. और सोशल मीडिया में कैसा है ना, पीपल हैव दिस पावर ऑफ एनोनिमिटी. मैं दिखने वाला तो हूं नहीं, जिसको जो कहना कह दो, जिसको जो बोलना है बोल दो. तो फिर आज ये बहुत इजी हो गया है किसी को भी. और एआई के बाद में तो किसी का कोई भी कैसा भी वीडियो बना दो, कुछ भी डाल दो, तो एंड पीपल हैव दैट पावर ओवर यू. सो लर्न टू लिव विद इट. मैं ये
So we had a great time with you, Dalwin, and really amazing time. We could go on and on, and on.
Yeah, because we would love to keep chatting, keep looking at the dimples, and
I could do so much more, but I thought I thought it's going to be between us in the show. I thought he's going to be between Sari and I'm sitting next to you, and that was not that was not my idea. I don't want to be closer to his fun anyways. It's lovely to have you. Wish you all the best for all your future endeavors, your projects, and for your show. And you're doing a great job. So proud of you. And keep looking the way you.
Yes, and let us objectify you as much as we know. He knows that you don't mind being objectified.
No, not at all, not at all. मैं शिव जी का रूल करता हूँ, वैसे भी टॉप तो निकालना ही.
What is this now? I want to cover the show. See, I'm just become religious. I'm just watching also religious.
Yeah, AC वाले एक ticket भी.
So really, sir, you are short in that.
Yes. You know what Shiva is to dress.
No, but I mean, she was sitting with the shirt was the hot kind of thing. No, I thought it has some robe or something. Yeah. So now for the next shot,
Jewelry. आप jewelry.
your jewelry.
रुद्राक्ष की माला रहती है.
Make sure front row, you know, who you will be finding. Oh my god, really short. I didn't know that. I want to watch it now. Yeah, I'm going to watch it. Anyway, so lovely having you. And thank you for really entertaining us. And thank you for being with us and actually taking your time and to come on our main character energy show on our podcast. And this is men we adore and we really adore you.
And you're doing the wonderful work you're doing. And and if you have any last words, any advice you want to give your fans, then please feel free.
What good you can ask? And you want to say something?
Male fans,
Nice about us, maybe. Oh.
I have so many things to say, but I'll suffice it with a thank you. And for the people who are watching, I've already mentioned 5th December is Akhanda 2 releasing. Please watch it, give it your love, and pray for me that I get more roles which can show me in different shades. And I hope that I can live up to your expectations. And please pray for me to become more deserving, not for my success. If I become deserving, then success will follow.
True, absolutely. But you are deserving. Yeah, according to us, you are deserving of glory. To me, I not. Of course, you're deserving of all the good things.
Yes, we wish you all the luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks.